So, hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today we have second Nurdin here and I am in the first. So, today we are here and we are going to debate on this topic. The topic is time versus money, and I am in the fear of time and he is in the fear of money. And if I talk about myself, so my name is Nurdin and as you know, and I have been learning English since last 1 year. So let's start. So my first point is, brother, if mathematics is very easy and if you have lost 2000 rupees from your pocket and you would be sad 2 to 3 days only, and after that you would be continue, you would be hard work after that, and the money, if you can achieve it very easily. And if I talk about times, if time has gone and if you missed something, you can't achieve, you can't gain it back, you can't gain it back. And if I talk about your childhood, brother, as you were a kid and you didn't you haven't you thought sometimes, like when you was in your 12th and your somewhere at that time, have you ever not thought about your childhood? What was that and what did you miss in your childhood? And if okay, let me tell you one thing also. And if someone is a very rich family person who can purchase everything with the help of money, and if I talk about his time, he can't purchase a 1 second, 2 second by the his money. Why? Because the time is very precious. And if I talk about money, it is very precious. Oh, sorry, it is precious, but it is not that much precious. The time is very precious. And if suppose if I'm going to die, and suppose I will be die, God may bless me, but suppose if I may die, so I would be die, and after that I would not be able to alive. That is the common, that is the motive to me. So that was my point. So now it's done. It's your turn, friends. I'm Nurdin second, and I am debating with him, and we are debating on this topic. The topic is time versus money, and I'm in the fear of time. Sorry, I'm in the fear of money, and he is in the fear of time. So if I talk about myself, so my name is Nurdin second, and we are debating here, and I have been learning English since last 1 year. So let's start. He told me some point and now I'm going to explain some thoughts, and then after that I would be give my point, then we would be continue again. So brother, as you told those things, but those things are approval on stories only, in stories. These are not in reality, these are not realities. And come on the truth, come on the uh, real. So, as you said, if I would and if you would miss me, I would not achieve you again. But, brother, if I am not with you, so how would it possible? How would you talk to me and how would you spend your previous time? How? What is the? And let me tell you one thing also. A poor man, a poor man spend his whole time to achieve some product like some chapatis and means food, and he is searching a food. That's why he is spending his whole day and his whole time to earning money. That is the major thing, brother. And the other hand, who has who has me means money, wealth, he can do everything, and he can hinge his thoughts, he can do everything, and he can achieve happiness from the money. Suppose you have money and you are working on it and you are earning some money, you can achieve some happiness, because I have seen many people and I have seen many relatives. If you have money, they are with you, but if you don't have money, they would leave you and they will not like to live with you. I have seen these things in my life. And brother, let me tell you one thing also. If you have a watch, only you are watching your watch, and if you don't have money, can you fill your stomach by the time? Like there is a watch and clock and you are seeing time and you are saying uh, this is the time and the time is right now, you are telling these things. So how it is possible? How can you fill your stomach? How can you feed to you or your parents or your someone else? How can you feed to them? It is not necessary, and you can't do these things without money. So that was the my point. So now it's your turn. Okay brother, I am agree with your point. Let's leave that. Okay, suppose you feed and you are fulfilled, you have eaten everything and you have fully it your stomach. What about your uh, minds of peace? Can you purchase it? Can you purchase the peace of mind? You can't purchase. Okay, let me tell you one thing also. Today, nowadays, people are working 18 hour. Why they are earning and why they are doing this work at that hour, many hours? They are doing, they are working almost 24 by 21, sorry, 18 hour. They are working and they are collecting their money in the bank account, and but they don't have time to see their children or their family member, to see their smile and their happiness. And what about whose mother and father? They don't have that much time. They can't sit with uh, with their children and with their uh, parents. What would be the benefit? Nothing. And what is the benefit to have lots of money if you are you are earning money like a machinery? What is the benefit? Nothing. And you can't purchase uh, something by the money. Like you can't purchase a happiness and you can't purchase emotions. You can't purchase. And what would be the benefit to have rupees in our bank account? And many people are earning money and they are saving their money in bank account. What is the benefit? Nothing. And if I talk about human, many people are feeling a good things. Why? Because they have time and they are working on that, and they have everything because they have time and they are spending their time to their children. And if you have saved lots of money in your almora, means tijori, and somewhere else like in bank account, brother, I agree with your point. But these uh, these thoughts are good when we have happiness in our house and we are happy and we are living happy in our house and our home. That those thoughts are good at that time. And if our parents and our mother, someone else, our parents, and they are ill and they are going to ill, and you can't save them. Why? Because you don't have money. If you have money only, sorry, if you have that much time only and you are sitting to them and you are saying to them, I am with you, I am with you, you can't save them. Why? Because you have not money and doctor will not treat you. if you are not giving to money, and doctor will not treat you, doctor can't shave you. And if you have filled full payment, and if you gave that much money, and if you gave extra money, then doctor would treat you. Doctor would not say you anything. And you can't purchase, you can't so okay, suppose, let me tell you one thing also. If you are living in an outside country, and you are coming to in your country, and your wife and your children and your someone else, your relatives, they are expecting to you, you would bring a gift, means upahar. You are going to take it, and you would give us. They are accepting two things. But if you have time, you have reached with them, then you are saying, I'm with you. But would be they would be angry with you. Why? Because they would say you, we were expecting some gift, but you didn't take. And after that they would say you very bad things, and they would be not feeling good. And a piece of note can change your life. A piece of note can change your uh, things also, and everything. It can change everything, whatever you want. And whenever you need someone, like when suppose you are going somewhere and you are stuck, at that time you would think about money. And I'm talking about related to police and somewhere else. At that time, if you would have lots of money, police people would relieve you easily. And if you don't have money, police people would deny you. They would say you, what are you doing? And they would say you unnecessary things. They would torture you also. So that was the my point. So let's finish this session. So friends, if you liked this session, so must subscribe this